This is our community celebration event. So for the past year and a half, our Central Community Planning Area, which we call CPA for short, a team of planners has been here in the community going to events, talking to people about what they like, what they don't like, what's working, what isn't working, specifically focusing on the policies that the city has for the downtown and the surrounding areas. So looking at things like resilience and sustainability, housing and transportation. And through all that, we've taken all of that feedback and formed a report. And this, which we're calling an assessment report. And this assessment report, we finally finished it and have submitted it for the Planning Commission to review the work that we've done. And this is to celebrate that. We've had a lot of community members that have been a part of this process, and they've done great work. And we're bringing in some of our partners that we worked with through this process. So this is kind of a celebration of all of the work that's been done over the past year and a half. And it happens to be Valentine's Day tomorrow, so it's also Valentine's Day themed because we love our community. So we have a face painter, a magician, we have a bike repair station from Esperanza. That's also part of Parks and Rec. We will have Parks and Rec having a little pickleball court. We'll have a local band, Reviva, playing, and we'll have a food truck, Chill and Fill, which will be providing 100 free meals for families that come. We have a desserts table and a Valentine's craft making table, and then some of our vendors, our Volunteer in Actions group from Senior Affairs, the Animal Welfare Department will be here, and Explora, the learning museum that's in downtown, is also here to share about some of the programs that they have for the local community leaders. So.
Listen, that's it. Did you hear that?
I think my vision, and I think I speak for most people in my department, is that through the CPA process we want policies from the city to be more community-led. I think there's a history of a lot of top-down things and sort of a few people telling everyone what they should do, and this doesn't fix the problem and it doesn't change everything, but I think it's a step in the right direction to make policies that the city adopts that come from the community. So that's the goal, and hopefully today is to celebrate that community where all of those great ideas came from.